My name is Ashwin. I am studying in first standard. My school name is St. Philomena School, Chandapura branch.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara Lord Vishnu, Masya, Kurma, Varaha, Nasimha, Bhavana, Pushrama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki.
ನಾಲ್ಕು ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು.
ನಾಲ್ಕು ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು ಪೂರ್ವ, ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ, ಉತ್ತರ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ.
5 different shapes of moon.
5 different shapes of moon: half moon, full moon, gibbous moon, crescent moon, new moon.
5 ovals.
5 ovals: A U I O U E.
7 days in a week.
7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Solar system.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
Preamble.
We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democracy.
Genders. Male,
Female,
boy,
girl,
brother,
sister,
father,
mother,
grandfather,
grandmother,
son,
daughter,
daddy,
mummy,
papa,
mama,
uncle,
aunt,
gentleman,
lady,
husband,
wife,
man,
woman,
nephew,
nice,
sir,
madam,
bull,
cow,
cock,
hen,
dog,
bitch,
lion,
lioness,
tiger,
tigers,
peacock,
peahen,
king,
king, queen,
actor,
actress,
prince,
prince,
milkman.
milkmaid.
Antonyms: in,
Out,
up,
down,
from,
to,
on,
off,
top,
bottom,
over,
under,
above,
below,
after,
before,
inside,
outside,
near,
far,
next,
previous,
behind,
in front of,
against,
along,
big,
small,
yes,
no,
wet,
dry,
hot,
cold,
new,
old,
day,
night,
low,
right,
bad,
good,
sad,
happy,
by.
sell.
6 ಋತುಗಳು.
6 ಋತುಗಳು: ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು, ಶರತ್ ಋತು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು: ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವೀಜ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಫಲ್ಗುಣ.
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights: rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against police station, right to religion.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Goa, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala.
Gnanapita Awards winners in Karnataka.
Gnanapita winners in Karnataka: Kuvenpu, Dr. B.R. Vendra, Shivaram Khan, Bakshi Vindrasekhar, V.K. Goka, Yuvanatha Moti, Virish Kana, Chandrasekhar Kampala.
The 10 principles of Upanishads.
The 10 principles of Upanishad: Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Mandaka Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Aitariya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Duhara Upanishad.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda,